Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. In Of Grammatology, Derrida critiques the Western philosophical traditions privileging of speech over writing. What term does he use to describe this tendency? A. Logocentrism. B. Phonocentrism. C. Essentialism. D. Structuralism. Right answer is option A. Logocentrism. Next question. Who wrote The Anxiety of Influence, a psychoanalytic theory of literary history based on the Oedipus complex? A. Harold Bloom. B. Northrop Frye. C. Stanley Fish. D. Terry Eagleton. Right answer is option A. Harold Bloom. Next question. In The Dialogic Imagination, Mikhail Bakhtin defines the novel as a genre characterized by A. Monologic structure. B. Temporal linearity. C. Dialogism and heteroglossia. D. Psychological realism. Right answer is option C. Dialogism and heteroglossia. Next question. In Lacanian psychoanalysis, what stage corresponds to the formation of the I through identification with an external image? A. The symbolic. B. The real. C. The imaginary. D. The superego. Right answer is option C. The imaginary. Next question. In The Madwoman in the Attic, Gilbert and Gubar interpret the angel and the monster as A. Symbolic figures from psychoanalysis. B. Male archetypes in Victorian fiction. C. Binary images of female identity in patriarchal literature. D. Religious motifs in Gothic novels. Right answer is option C. Binary images of female identity in patriarchal literature. Next question. Which of the following texts is not typically associated with the sentimental novel tradition of the 18th century? A. Pamela by Samuel Richardson. B. The Sorrows of Young Werther by Goethe. C. Evelina by Frances Burney. D. Joseph Andrews by Henry Fielding. Right answer is option D. Joseph Andrews by Henry Fielding. Next question. Which work of postcolonial theory contains the phrase, "Can the subaltern speak"? A. The Empire Writes Back Ashcroft et al. B. Culture and Imperialism Edward Said. C. A Critique of Postcolonial Reason Spivak. D. The Location of Culture Bhabha. Right answer is option C. A Critique of Postcolonial Reason Spivak. Next question. In The Golden Notebook, Doris Lessing experiments with what literary technique to reflect the fragmentation of female identity? A. Free indirect discourse. B. Stream of consciousness. C. Multiperspectival narrative and metafiction. D. Epistolary form. Right answer is option C. Multiperspectival narrative and metafiction. Next question. In A Room of One's Own, Virginia Woolf's Shakespeare's sister is a fictional device used to A. Compare modern writers to Shakespeare. B. Advocate for female education. C. Illustrate the thwarted genius of women in patriarchal history. D. Question the value of literary canon. Right answer is option C. Illustrate the thwarted genius of women in patriarchal history. Next question. In The Second Sex, Simone de Beauvoir asserts, one is not born, but rather becomes, a woman. What philosophical stance does this illustrate? A. Marxist essentialism. B. Phenomenological realism. C. Existentialist feminism. D. Structural anthropology. Right answer is option C. Existentialist feminism. Next question. In which text does Frantz Fanon argue that colonization is always accompanied by violence and must be undone through violence? A. The Wretched of the Earth. B. Black Skin, White Masks. C. Discourse on Colonialism. D. Culture and Imperialism. Right answer is option A. The Wretched of the Earth. Next question. Which modernist work begins with the phrase, Mrs. Dalloway said she would buy the flowers herself? A. To the Lighthouse. B. Ulysses. C. The Waves. D. Mrs. Dalloway. Right answer is option D. Mrs. Dalloway. Question for you. Which play by Harold Pinter is known for the term, Pinteresque silence? A. The Birthday Party. B. The Caretaker. C. The Dumb Waiter. D. The Homecoming. Answer this question below in the comment box. Thanks for watching till end. Stay tuned. We will meet tomorrow with the next session.